Hello, and welcome to our introduction into the Atel'S V810 4G LTE phone hub. Today, I'll walk you through the device and some of the key features, functions, and setup. Your device will come in a box just like this one. Inside the box, you will find your V810 phone hub, 3 AA batteries, a charging block, a Type-C USB charging cable, a quick start guide, a meet your device guide, and additional accessories and support flyers. The Atel'S V810 phone hub provides voice services when connected with up to 2 corded or cordless telephones. This replaces your current phone line with a 4G LTE home phone. To install your SIM card, remove the back cover and carefully lift up the battery holder from the side and install the SIM card into the spring-loaded SIM slot. To install the batteries, properly install the 3 AA batteries in the battery compartment along the back of the device. Once the batteries and SIM card have been installed, align and carefully place the battery cover back into position. You can also connect your V810 to a wall adapter with the USB-C cable and plug the wall adapter into your wall outlet. The V810 has 2 telephone ports. Plug your telephone cord into one of the telephone ports on the back of the device. Keep the other end of the cord plugged into the back of your home telephone. Please note that you can use your traditional landline corded or cordless phones, but not rotary or pulse type phones. To turn the device on, press and hold the power button. Once you're powered on and ready to start using your V810, you can find device details on the LCD display by pressing the power button. The LCD displays information including signal strength, battery status, and phone number if applicable. If you want to increase your signal strength, you can install an optional antenna. To install, align the antenna with the antenna port and screw it securely into place in a clockwise motion. After you're done, restart your device. If you have any questions or concerns, head over to Atel'S support page at www.atel-usa.com. You can find support on the top menu banner and select either Contact Support or Warranty depending on your inquiry. You can also email us at support@atel-usa.com.